sexy yata namin kaklase. English speaking, guys. Hi, this is Tiffany, Tiffany Blue Box. Hi, Tiffany. What is your OOTD for today?
Tiffany Blue.
Ang cute, yeah. And what's your cap? Tightless.
Tightless.
And then your shirt?
G4.
G4. And then the skirt?
JL.
JL. And then your shoes?
Royal Albatross.
Okay, guys. Sobrang social. Okay, guys. So, anyways. How long have you been playing golf pala yun?
6 years.
6 years. And what's your advice for beginner golfers like me? No advice? No advice. No advice. No advice now. Just enjoy. Enjoy. And to be... Paano kaya? Bigyan niya kaya advice how to be sexy like her, no? Guys, sexy nila. So guys, we'll enjoy and see you at the fairway.